Hi, my darlings. I'm Sophie Darling, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Sophie. I have a doctorate in literature, which means I get way too emotionally invested in the shows that I'm watching. So if you're looking for a reactor that likes to talk about symbolism, themes, and character development, then you're definitely in the right place. So why don't you hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode? Today, we're reacting to episode 1 of Chainsaw Man, which won our poll on Patreon and is taking the place of Vinland Saga, which we have now finished. Hopefully, we'll get a third season at some point. But I am looking forward to seeing Chainsaw Man, a show that's been highly recommended to me quite a lot. It's also very short, but I think there was recently a movie that released. So we'll have the 12 episodes and then a movie. But I don't really know anything other than the name. Chainsaw Man, so I'm going to presume it's a man that can turn into a chainsaw until the show tells me otherwise. But without further ado, we're going to jump straight in because there's not really anything I can discuss until I have started to gain an understanding of the show itself and the characters. So let's get into episode 1. You okay, bud? A lot of heavy breathing going on. Okay. You good? What's happening? Is this where he lives? That's so sad.
キーキって月収6万だろ。この間売った腎臓が120万。
Jeez.
右目が30万。金玉片方売ってい
What?
くらで売れたっけ ?10 万もしなかったんだっけ
Dude, what the fuck?
借金が3804万円。
How do you owe so much money?
ポチた。分かってるって。さっさと殺しちまうか。
What are you? It's the little chainsaw dog.
やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな。
Why is he in so much debt? God damn. And he sold one of his nuts and he still doesn't have enough. It wasn't even like 100,000.
報酬は40万だ。
おはざす。
そっから借金と利子引いて17万。さらに仲介手数料と事務手数料。管理調整費。
No wonder he's living in that rundown area. He doesn't have any money for somewhere to stay.
不思議だな。
Damn, he's in so much
もう残り
debt.
1800円になっちゃった。家に食いもんねえし、今月はこの金で暮ら
Can
さなきゃ。
people see the little chainsaw dog on Pochta?
なんであんなガキをデビルハンターに雇ってるんです？
俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ。正確にはあいつの死んだクソ親父の。
Oh, that's awful. That's not his fault.
それにデンジのいいとこは逆らわねえとこだ。
Poor Denji.
このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ。
マジっすか。
Denji! Oh, so many people are going to take advantage of him because he just does what he's told in exchange for
逃
money.
げたら豚の餌だからな。
It's not even his debt either. Denji.
ね。これで3日は食えるね。
Smart boy. He didn't eat it.
だけどさ、
He's
普
stubborn.
通食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜ。まあ俺たちは普通なんて夢の話だけどな。俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうな。
I love that's his priority.
デートする金もね。
Oh, he just wants to be loved.
夢叶うなら女抱いてから死にてえな。
Denji! Basically, his goal is I want to have sex before I die.
今月の分も払わねえうちに首吊りやがって。
So you penalize his poor kid.
体売るなりして明日まで70万用意しろ。 じゃなきゃお前の死体をばらして売る。
Oh, you're a horrible man. I hope something bad happens to you. What the fuck? He's so young. Is this how he meets Pochta?
悪魔だ。俺を殺すなら殺せよ。どうせ死ぬんだ。
Oh,
お前も死ぬの
I
か。
thought maybe he was trying to protect him, but no, he's dying.
悪魔は血飲めば傷治るって聞いたことがある。死にたくないなら噛め。
Oh.
俺の血はただじゃねえ。これは契約だ。
A literal deal with the devil.
俺を助けろ。やっぱ俺も死にたくねえ。
Oh, his resilience. He's so happy.
俺をデビルハンターで雇ってくれませんか。
Oh, they're so cute.
腹減って眠れねえ。決めた。今日寝たら見る夢。食パンにジャム塗ってポチタと食って
Oh,
イチャイチャしたりして一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ。
oh, Denji.
いいだろ。
I want nothing but the best for him. He's such a sweet guy. Oh, fuck. What's this?
俺の母ちゃんさ、心臓の病気で
Oh, no. All he wants is a simple life. All he wants is to be happy and have a girlfriend. And now he might actually die from the same illness as his mom. I'm gonna cry. Poor Denji.
夢くらい見させてほしいよな。
I really hope he gets a happy ending. That he gets the simple life that he wants. He's just a teenager who's been paying off his dad's debt since he was a kid because they didn't give him any other choice.
こんなとこに悪魔出たんすか？
Why is he being cagey?
見当たらないっすけど。どっか隠れたんすかね？
Why is he not answering? What the fuck is going on? Is it him? Is he gonna betray him? Or is he the devil? Like, what's happening?
デンジよ、俺たちはてめえに感謝して
They're gonna try get rid of him, aren't they?
はい。
犬みてえに従順だし、犬みてえに安い報酬で働いてくれる。でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。てめえみてえに悪魔と契約することにしたんだ。俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
So now they have to get rid of him.
望むのはデビルハンターの死。
Because they made a deal with the devil. What the fuck?
悪魔の力あげるっつったらさ、自分たちから僕の奴隷になってやがんのな。僕、ゾンビの悪魔だから。
Come on, Denji.
あんた
Come
は
on.
僕ら悪魔殺すから嫌い。みんな、そいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃって。
Oh my god. I knew it had to be a trap. It was weird. He just wasn't talking to him or responding. Oh, Denji. I think he's gonna try and save Pochta before he saves himself.
離せ！ 何も金持ちになりたいわけじゃね
Just wants a
え。ただ
life.
せめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに。んなことも叶えられねえのかよ。
Oh, I want to cry. Poor Denji. Then they tossed him away like he was nothing, like he was trash. It's not trash. Oh. He's gonna help him. Because he took care of him and he saved him when he was dying.
ポチタ。俺は悪魔と戦ってるうちに死ぬかもしれねえ。そうしたらポチタだけが心残る。
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。ポチタにそれができるんだったら、俺の体をポチタにあげてんだ。そんで、この町を出て。
Have a normal life.
うん。普通の暮らしをして、普通の死に方をしてほしい。俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
So is like Denji gone and this is gonna be Pochta taking over his body? Oh!
ポチタ。俺の体、ちゃんと奪えたか？
Oh, so it's still part of Denji. Like,
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。
he talks!
これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。代わりにデンジの夢を
Oh!
私に見せてくれ。
ポチタ
Is Pochta now inside of him?
ポチタ
No more Pochta. I wanna cry. Why is this so emotional?
やっぱ僕デビルハンター嫌い。
He's gonna become
みんな
Chainsaw
そい
Man.
つ食べちゃって。
なんでこいつらは十分恵まれてんのに、もっといい生活を望んだ。俺も同じか。ポチタがいる幸せだけじゃ満足できなくて、もっといい生活を夢に見たんだ。
Yeah, but with Pochta, that was the
みんな
difference.
夢見ちまうんだな。
A better life, but for
じゃあ悪いことじ
you
ゃねえ。
and for him.
悪いことじゃねえけど、邪魔すんなら死ね。
What the fuck? Oh, it's Revin. Oh, this is cool as fuck.
なんだお前。さ
Chainsaw
っきのザコ悪
Man.
魔が体を乗っ取ったのか。
Holy shit! Oh my god, this is so cool. Whoa! Big mistake, dude.
こっちからだ。
Whoa.
邪魔。
Come on, Denji. The thing someone hand animated this is insane. Whoa.
デビルハンターとして雇われてるからに、
And that's what he does.
悪魔はぶっ殺さねえとね。てめえら全員殺せばよ、借金はパーだぜ。
I mean, touche. No more debt. Like, I can live a normal life now. Well, normal-ish. He's fused with a devil now, so I mean... Who are you guys?
先を越されたね。
Oh, they're here to kill devils as well. That's
生きてる
terrifying.
のがいますね。
Imagine walking in, there's just him in the corner, like big chainsaw head, like, "Meh." He's different though.
君、変わった匂いがするね。人でも悪魔でもない匂い。
Like a combination of both.
これ、君がやったの？
だかす。
Oh, just wants love and comfort.
人だ。
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は？
ないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た。
He'd already
公安
done
の
it.
デビルハンターなんだ。君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に飼われるか。飼うなら、ちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
朝飯はどんなの？
食パンにバターとジャム塗って
Jam!
サラダ、コーヒー、あとデザートかな。
最高じゃないっすか。
Ah! That was class. I really enjoyed that. I love how I was so close to crying in such a short episode because everything he's done is just to live a normal life. He has no other ambitions but to just be a teenager. He just wants a girlfriend. He wants to have enough money. He wants to be able to take her out on dates and to feel that warmth and affection. He just wants to be able to have a full belly. Like, he just wants to be a kid. And he doesn't even get that chance. He never had that chance. His mom died from an illness. His dad hung himself because of the debt that he couldn't afford to repay. He got saddled with it. And his whole life since then's been pain and suffering in order to pay back this money. He's just never had a chance. Whereas hopefully this is a chance for him where he can actually aspire for this normal life. And the fact that Pochta was like, I'll give you my heart because I want to see your dream. It's not him wanting to take his body and consume it for his own endeavors. It's because he truly wants Denji to have what he's always wanted. He took care of Pochta when Pochta was dying. He's always shared his food with him. He's talked about like his biggest worry is that if he dies, there's no one there to look after Pochta, and told him that he could have his body. But instead of like becoming one with the body, he just brings Denji back. So Denji is still Denji, but Pochta is the heart and power of everything that's going on. But I'm kind of sad that Pochta is not like this little dog anymore, that he doesn't just putter about and walk with him, because it would be nice for them to still have that like camaraderie and friendship. But it was so emotional. It was so sad because he's just a kid. He just wants a normal life, and I want him to have that. And I think that's the difference when she's saying like she can't really smell the devil on him. It's because the guy that he was working for, who made the deal with the devil for more power and to become something more than what his human abilities allow him, is doing it for gain. Wants more, nothing is enough. Whereas for Denji doesn't aspire for anything more than what is normal and achievable. He's not wanting abnormal powers. He's not wanting control. He just wants a normal life. He just wants to be a teenager. He just wants a girlfriend. He just wants to have food. He's not aspiring for anything more than that. So I think that makes a difference in terms of how he smells and how he's perceived. He's retained the human aspect of himself. Pochta as the devil, giving him his heart and allowing him to come back, is doing it solely because it wants Denji to achieve its dream. It's not for power or gain or anything malicious. It is solely for something so simplistic and heartwarming that I think it was very obvious that Denji wasn't a threat, that he's not going to harm humans, that he's not going to massacre them or enslave them into being zombies. He has a love for humanity that others don't, because he wants to continue living insofar as to achieve his dreams. He doesn't want to lose sight of his goals and ambitions, and then he feels bad because he's like, even when I was with Pochshouse, I had these dreams of something else, but it's like those dreams are just like simple dreams. They're just something that's achievable and any teenager would aspire for. It's not something that's unrealistic. It's not harming anyone. Whereas the other people that make deals with devils, their dreams are based on harming people, and it's corrupted at the heart of the matter. Whereas Denji is just a pure soul. He's not corrupted. Everything he's done has been to help others, even at the expense of himself. He has gone through so much suffering and hardship that I really hope he has a happy ending. He's just a sweet boy. But I loved this. This was so cool, so emotional, and I'm just looking forward to seeing this new dynamic of where he's now going to be joining them, because she's like, I could kill you or you could work for me and I'll make sure you're fed. I'm just hoping he has a better experience than what he's had so far. But at least it looks as if everything he sold to pay the debt has come back. Like, he has both eyes. So I'm presuming he also has his kidney again and his balls. So, you know, ball singular. He only sold one. But yeah, it looks like he's fully restored. But I want him to have a good life. I just want him to feel happiness, and the fact that the way to bring him back into his human state is affection, it's warmth. He's like, hug me, hold me, and she does, and he comes back into his human nature because he's not malicious. There's no desire to harm people. He just wants to be loved and to love others. Denji's such a good boy, and so is Pochta, and I'm just sad that Pochta is not like moving around, but hopefully there's some way for Pochta to like not always be inside of Denji. But I guess we'll see as the series progresses. But thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this react, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment below to help boost this video into the algorithm. And until next episode, bye!